What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. It's been a minute. Quick updates for you guys. The turbo Kia, it's all done, painted, shipped it off. Didn't get a video of me putting it back together. I did get a video of me painting it, but like I said, I just wanted that in and out. I've been working on a bunch of other projects, just been trying to get them in and out. So I'll show you this one. We're actually doing this tailgate right here, basically painted. What happened was she said she parked it. The next day she says someone just stole a tailgate. So got all the body work done basically last night. A lot of damage on this. Should have charged a little bit more, but that was my fault. Like I said, I was looking through this tailgate through basically a picture. So everything looked clean until I saw it in person and it just looked worse. So we're also going to be painting an emblem, Chevy emblem, and we're going to be painting it all black, which I do have an extra one, so I'll be showing you basically that as well. And like I said, it's a busy day. You know, I also repaired this bumper right here. So there was a big old crack and everything, so I got that all fixed up. And yeah, so basically two jobs I have to do, and I'm gonna try to get them ready tonight, so that way I can get them painted tomorrow and put back together on Thursday. So yeah, I'm just gonna put you in fast forward, and we're just gonna get sanded. Just like that, we're basically almost done, getting it all sanded down. I gotta take a DA now and just finish it up. You guys notice these wobbles right here? You know, I would fix them, but like I said, the customer only wanted to pay so much. The most that you'll see is probably the sting right here. I know most of this is from factory, just because when they pinch the metal, that's usually what it causes it. But other than that, you know, it'll get the job done. It's basically what she needs it for. Like I said, she just wanted a tailgate and she wants it to match the truck, and the truck is black, so I at least wanted it to make it look somewhat decent. You know, I'm not the type of person that just paints a crappy part, you know, and just say you get what you get. I should be like that, but I'm not. You know, I kind of like to have my quality there as well. So like I said, you know, I'm not fix some of these things. I'm not going to prime it for a second time. This is basically how it's going to look. So like I said, I got to sand down my sharp edges, get it all scuffed in the back as well, like I said. So everything's going black. So yeah, I'll show you the final product. All right, everything all sanded down at 320. Kind of have to change out your paper a little bit just because it kind of gums up. But we're ready to, I already put my guide coat on. So we're going to sand it down with 500 grit, basically with the DA, finish all up, and then start scuffing. And then if we have enough time tonight, we'll get that bumper started. Alright, you guys, just finished the top side. Now I move my way onto the back. So what I'm going to do is take off this extra glue with an eraser wheel, scuff it with the red Scotch Brite right here, and then basically we're done and ready to shoot tomorrow. So like I said, it does have some rust right here. Like I said, I mean, once it's in there, you guys. You can do a little bit to try and fix it, but you don't want to do anything too fancy with it. So like I said, I already went fancy by fixing most of the dents. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get everything scuffed, and then I'll show you basically the final product of it. right, sorry for all the dust, but there was a lot of dirt in there, so I'm trying to get as much as I can out. Still some dirt in there. I think I might come in tomorrow again and then just spray it out, or I might put some wax and grease in there as well when I do it. But yeah, I think we might have to cover some of the major holes, basically. So try to tape them as best as I can. And other than that, everything came out nice and smooth. Like I said, there is a couple wobbles. Some of them do get hidden, but I know there is a ding right here. But like I said, you know, the lady didn't want me to go too excessive on repairing it. I even did a little bit too much work on it, like I said before. But that's basically ready. I'm moving on to the bumper. I want to hurry up and get this all scuffed and basically just show you the end effect. Let me show you the bottom side though. So that's basically the repair. Like I said, there's a crack that kind of went like this shape. So stapled it together, did my backside repair. This is what's really going to reinforce the backside. That way the front side, you can do a little bit more. So yeah, like I said, this was a quick fix for a bumper. And yeah, so let me hurry up and scuff it. And after a long day, finally got it all prepped. Bumper's all done, tailgate's all done. We probably could do another bumper tonight, which is my sister's, but we're gonna wait for that until either tomorrow or the next day. I might even do it at lunch. But yeah, so that's gonna get ready to paint tomorrow. I gotta order some paint. So we're gonna paint the bumper, and then we're gonna paint the tailgate for the truck. So like you see, that one's going white. So we're gonna blend within it. This one's going completely black. So yeah, I gotta get some supplies tomorrow, and then after that we should be golden. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I know it's kind of boring or whatnot. So yeah, until tomorrow, you guys, I'll show you basically how we're gonna do it. And yeah, so until next time, you guys, see you around.